Hello there. Welcome to screencast of CMS in intro. I will be covering quickly going through the CMS in package, how it works and what it's all about. As documentation is still in progress, so this is the best way to show how things work. CMSinn is a Meteor package that is meant to help anyone that needs content management system in his project. I took a bit different approach while building the CMS in a way that there is no sort of admin console, and everything is basically editable through the front end. I don't know how it works out, and then if you like it, but this is just an approach, and just gonna show you, and we'll see what will be the feedback. This is still not stable, so don't use it with your own risk in production or whatever. Yeah, let's get started. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be creating a new project, Meteor project. My CMS project, and once it's created, I will be adding a template package that has CMS in integrated. So maybe I will start from a little bit explaining about the package and then showing how it looks. So this package is a project template that is based on this bootstrap template. So I have taken this template and then integrated the CMS in. When I say integrated, what I mean by it is that I have created the page template. For example, the layout, how home page should look, how about page should look, how blog posts should look, how the portfolio page of services, and so on. And each of this template has CMS in it. When I say in it, I mean that when you are creating a template, you are basically saying what bits are editable and what kind of bit it is. For example, is it a label that needs to be translated, or is it an image that needs to be editable, or I should say changeable, where records like portfolio items are displayed, blog post items are displayed. So, for example, let's take the layout template. First of all, we include the controls. I will show you what these controls are, but this basically includes a template that gives you the CMS controls block that allows you to toggle between the modes, translation modes, image edit mode, and so on. And then what you do in the template, you define what should be where. So, for example, in this template here we have menu. So what we do, we just run the menu here, and to be able to enable the CMS in, we add tags, special tags. Documentation on these are coming in, but in short, basically there are a couple of tags like AwareUnit record tag that brings in the structure UI, then labels, then this tag like deletable allows you to delete items, sort items, images, navigation, languages, and so on. So in template, by using these tags, you define how your template will look, how the data will be rendered, and at the same time you are adding the where UI, the CMS UI should be visible. So basically, by creating this template, you have a full working. Once you create the template, you have a full working project which content is editable. So I think this is the pretty it's shortcut, not a shortcut, but an easier way to create the project. So you create templates and then you give freedom to the user to create the pages that will be using these templates. So you create like blog listing template, how the blog post record will be displayed, and then user can create several of pages of this template, and list create the blog post items. So this is the package that has this CMS integrated. So I'm gonna be showing you how this works. So let's bring the console and let's add this package. Right, so it will install the CMSinn package and all the required dependencies. And once it is done, once it is done, we can launch the project. Let me just pick this, and let's go to the console. Package has been added. Let's launch the project. And here we go. So I've just added this this template project package, and now this allows me basically to start working with it and adding content. So let's this is like a CMS control panel, which allows you to toggle between the modes. When I was explaining layout, those tags in elements, basically have each tag have its own purpose. So this translation, the structure, navigation, image, languages, sort, and delete. And this one just turns off any of currently turned on mode. So let's start adding by the menu items. In template, we have defined that here will be our menu items. So we're gonna turn on the structure mode, and we just gonna add new records. So we have a couple of pages, and here will be our language menu. So we have added menu items. Now I'm gonna give names to it. So it will be our about, and this will be our services, and this will be our portfolio. Let's say this will be enough, and I don't need that one, so what we're gonna just go and delete it. And here will be our languages. Now we will have more than one language, of course, so let's add a couple of languages, and let's name it. And this will be and this will be, and I will show you how it's easy to add new language in a short. So we name these, and then we're gonna say that this is our Lithuanian language, and this will be our English language. All these languages are configurable, so you can add as many as you want. So these are added. Now we're gonna just add a empty navigation, so it would just have a nice cursor. So that's it. We just have added and new languages. So when you turn that language, and if it doesn't have a translation, so it takes from the one from the language that it has and adds the local that you would know that this label here needs to be translated. So I will go and then we'll say in Lithuanian this would look like this, like this, like that, and like this. Oh, sorry. Okay. So we have added menu items. This is our company, and now we're gonna add navigation. When we add navigation, we say that once you will go to that page, this page should load one of these templates. This is basically the same thing that you would in iron router say which template to load. So this dynamically creates those routes. So this will be our home page. Yeah. This will go to the about, and this will go to services, and this will go to portfolio. So, portfolio. So now if you will go to these pages, it will load the template, and this template, as I showed before, has these elements define where you can edit what. So for example, in home pages, this template defines we can have here portfolio item and some content here and there. So let's add some portfolio items, right? So we enable structure mode, and it marks blocks that can be edited. So we will be adding items here. So we add it here, and then here we have an inner page of portfolio, and here we want to display the same the same items that we are displaying in the home page. So what we do is basically I have a different template here, I think, loaded. No, it's okay. Portfolio. So we have added items in the home page, and then we're gonna say that here we want to display the same items that we have in the home page. So we add it here, and basically these are the same records in the home page, and once you edit content here, it changes there as well. So let's say we will be adding a couple of this is project images. So add here, and now if we're gonna get back to the home page, it's here, right? So basically now you can edit these items, sort it, or if you don't, you can delete it, and it reflects in all pages where these records are displayed. So we had 3, now have 2, right? So let's add a couple more items to show you the paging. For example, in the template we have defined this page has a paging of items, so I will add a couple of more. So now we have like pages, in template to define how your paging look, but all the calculations are done by the package. So now let's say I'm gonna be deleting a couple of these, and as you see, page numbers also changes. Yeah, sorting works everywhere the same way. Once you enable, you can change all of it. Images, for example, this record is displayed in a couple of places. So in this here we define one size, and in the home page we define another size. That is defined in template, in template for example, like this here. So you say the size, and then the package automatically resize the image according to size. So if you're gonna change the size here, next time you load it, it will load the new defined size. So and then this is the way it works with all records. Wherever you have we have this structure mode, wherever you add records, then you can create a sub-records for these, or in another block you can say I wanted to show here the same that I have created somewhere else. So when you edit one, then it changes everywhere, so this is the same thing. What else? Maybe let's add new language. To add new language is simple as adding new subrecord here. So we have another one, and then we turn on the language mode, and we say that here will be our Russian language, and we're gonna give a name to this, Russian, and that's it. Language is added. So once you will toggling between these, Lithuanian, English, Russian, it adds these things that shows that this needs to be translated. So here we have all images as slides, so it's like that, and that's, I think, would be it. The same principle applies to all pages. So basically, what you do, you create a template like this, and then you tell what page types this project has, and this gives once you toggle the navigation mode, the templates, so you can select that once you go to that page you should load that template, and then in these templates you define these building blocks, which brings in UI, or which you edit content. So this would be it, like short intro, and documentation is coming in. I hope you like this, and any feedback is appreciated, good or bad. I wanted to know what you think about it, and so I could improve it. So thanks for watching, and bye.